These are the greatest art pieces in the gallery. This one is so serious. I don't like it. Looks so stupid. But look at this. Hey, this one is quite modern. Huh? And what's this? Who could draw something like this? Quiet, girls. The artist of the painting is right here. Amelia, look! Yikes! But they still can't seem to stop laughing. How dare you! You think you can draw better? Ha! What is this place? Huh? Where are we? Now, girls, let's start the challenge. A who drew it better challenge? Let's go. Huh? A challenge? Oh no! How will the girls do? Stay tuned. Okay, I think you'll like this one. Strawberries. Oh, they look so good. I wish I could eat them. Strawberries. Oh, I'm so hungry. Okay, time to stretch my hands. I can't let her beat me. Oh, I know. Hey, Amelia, look over there. What is it? I don't see anything. What is Madison up to? Oh no, she's taking Amelia's red paint. It was just a butterfly. Oh, it's nothing, Amelia. Okay, I see. Now, girls, grab your brushes and start. Madison is starting by applying red paint. There can never be too much red for a nice strawberry. In the meantime, Amelia just realized that her red is missing. What? Where is my paint? Hey, Madison, can I borrow yours? No. Okay. Oh well, I guess I'm just gonna use blue instead. I'm almost done. I just need to add some leaves. Here we go. These strawberries will look very different. Blue is not exactly fitting to paint a strawberry, but Amelia doesn't seem to care. These will look just fine. I'm really gonna win this time. I need another brush. Give me yours. My strawberry's red and nice. What? A blue strawberry? What an idiot. And what's wrong with that? Think I know how to fix it. Huh? Amelia, where did she go? What is Amelia about to do? Oh, look! She's at the teacher's desk. My strawberry is too blue for you? Well, I'll show you blue. She's painting the strawberries blue. What a sneaky move, Amelia. Be careful. Yikes. Okay, I'm out of here. Huh? Oh my! Time! It's time, girls! Now it's time for the girls to show their drawings. Mine is great. Just take a look at it. Madison is very proud of her work. Ugh! Put it down! Huh? You don't like it? Now, Amelia. What? This is how mine looks. Hilarious, right? A blue strawberry. Laugh as much as you want. Amelia, but strawberries are red. Take a look once more. No, I think that it's blue. You see, Amelia, they're red. Huh? What? But if the strawberries are blue, it means Amelia's drawing is correct. All right, Amelia, you are the winner. What? How is this fair? Yay! I won! Amelia is very happy. She gets to eat the strawberries now. Poor Madison. Maybe next time. Give me my strawberries! Yum! I can't wait! Here are the strawberries. But are you sure you want to eat them? They're covered in paint. Yuck! They smell disgusting. Well, I guess I'm not eating them. Ha ha ha! You're so silly. Next time, better think it through, Amelia. Huh? I wonder what we will have to draw. A chalk stick? What? And I got some felt tip pens. This is so not fair. Now, girls, are you ready? You will have to draw. What is it? What will it be? You'll have to draw a puppy. I want it. Give it to me. Give it, girls. Stay quiet. It's a challenge. Ready? Okay, now let's start this round. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna do my best. So many colors. How do I start? Slowly. Huh? Oh no! It broke! What am I gonna do? Why did she get pens and I got a piece of chalk? Ugh! But hey, I have an idea. Ha! Take that! Oh no! Are you out of your mind? But it looks like Amelia knows what she's doing. She smashed the chalk so it looks like blue sand now. And hey, now she's able to draw on it with her finger. Way to go, Amelia! And it sure is making Madison jealous. How is she drawing so well? I have no idea how to draw a dog. This is the worst! Aw, you poor girl. Teacher, please help. How do I draw a dog? The teacher gave in. Now she's helping Madison out. Wow! She made a dog-shaped shadow. Look at the shadow, okay? Hey, I understand now. Let's do it. Like this, right? Okay. Madison is drawing around her hand. The teacher's trick surely helped Madison out. Now adding a nose and an eye. But it looks like Amelia is doing fine on her own. Her dog looks so cute. Yes, I'm gonna win this. Need to fix it a bit. And I'm done! I finished mine too. This is gonna win for sure. All right, time is up. Let's see your work. Huh? Amelia's drawing is so cute. I can't let her win. Hey, what are you doing, Madison? Let's show her a little trick with feathers. Take that! Huh? What are you doing? Stop! Tickle! Tickle! Girls, the time is up. Stop messing around and show us what you've got. Okay. Ugh, she's so mean. Oh no. What do you think, teacher? Well, I was hoping it would turn out better. Amelia, your turn now. Madison's feather made Amelia want to sneeze. Oh no! Amelia just blew away her painting! Oh, yikes! Since you have no painting, it means I win! Haha! Calm down, buddy. Well, what should I do? All right, you win. You can take the dog. Me? Woohoo! Haha! Loser! Come here, little baby. Aw, you're so cute. Huh? But it seems that the dog is more interested in Amelia. Maybe he can sense who is a fair player. Huh? Why did I get pencils? Look at me! I got so many brushes and paint! Hey! This is not fair! Let's see what the girls have to draw for this round. Yummy! Huh? Oopsie! Okay, time for work. If you draw this lollipop nicely, you can win it. Time is ticking! Go! I want that lollipop! I want it too! Madison is lucky. She got gouache paint. It'll be easier for her to draw. While Amelia is struggling with her pencils. It broke! I don't have a sharpener! Ha! I'm gonna win this! Amelia's pencils keep breaking! Poor girl! Don't give up! Madison is enjoying herself. Now she's certain that she'll win. Her painting is almost done. Looks so yummy! No, I can't eat it. Or maybe… If Amelia doesn't come up with anything, she will lose. That's it! I'm done with these pencils! I give up! Now only one thing can lift Amelia's mood. Some Skittles. This is not fair! Wait a minute! I know! I can use Skittles! Madison's painting doesn't look too good. But what is Amelia doing here? This is gonna be great! Huh? What are you doing? Arrange Skittles in a circle on the plate. Then add some water in the middle. And now leave the rest to the Skittles. Wow! This is amazing! The colors will come out once put in the water. Wow! So cool! No, it's not cool. This means I'm gonna lose. And the time is up. The teacher now wants to see their drawings. Show them to me. This is my lollipop. It's very colorful and accurate, see? Whoa, accurate, you say? Well, okay. Now your turn, Amelia. What is this? Wow! Hey, but it's not even a drawing. A drawing or not, but it sure looks nice. Bravo! Looks like a real lollipop. You win, Amelia. Yay! I won the candy. It's so good. You deserved it. Can you give some to me? Ugh, I want my lollipop! La la! I look so good with this bag. It's so fancy. So sad it's not mine. All right, this will be your prize. This? This? OMG, I want it! I want it even more! Time is ticking! Oh, I don't want to give it away. And so the war begins. Madison looks very focused. I have to win this! It's so difficult! Madison is serious like a real artist, while Amelia's painting looks pretty wobbly so far. I have a feeling that I'm gonna win this. The bag looks really pretty. Will the girls capture it with their paintings? Wow, Madison's painting looks pretty good. I'm almost done, but I think it's pretty spot on. Let's see. It's missing something. I know! It's missing diamonds on it! Good thing Madison always carries some shiny glitter with her. This will look amazing! Wow! There's so much of it! I'm done! Huh? Why does yours look so good? And you want to add glitter? No way! Oh no! Amelia just shook Madison's hand! Now the glitter is everywhere! What? No way! You ruined my painting! This looks pretty bad! Now both paintings are covered in glitter! They look exactly the same! What? It's time already! Stop! Stop everything! Huh? Show me your pictures! No! No! It's her fault! No, she did it! Oh, hold on! Stop fighting! I guess this bag is mine! Yay! What a greedy teacher! I think I'm gonna sneeze! Achoo! Oh, wow! Just look at this! She blew away all the glitter! What? It can't be! Teacher! Teacher! Look! I have a painting! Does this mean I win? The teacher wasn't expecting this. Now I have to give it away! Yay! The bag is mine! Give me my prize! No! The teacher really doesn't want to give it away. But Amelia is not going to lose to her after all this. Give it to me! No! I said give it to me! It's mine now! No, it's not! Come on, teacher, just give it to her. Amelia won after all.